Hi, let's today talk about the most interesting stock which has been in everyone's portfolio if you are a long-term investor because of the dividends it provides, because of the price stability it provides, and because the stock has a very good record. It's the mega stock, ITC. It has been falling since long, for few months for sure, and it is because of the government increased the excise duty on the cigarettes in the budget 2026, which led to the fall. As it indirectly impacts or directly impacts the ITC biggest profit segment. Tobacco is the biggest profit segment for ITC. Now, I would like to show you how technical analysis work in terms of analyzing. Keep in mind it will not work 100%, but then for the majority of the time if you have mastered it, it will definitely work. Now this is the ITC monthly chart which is having 20-day moving average. I just have plotted the upward trend line just to show you. If we draw connect these two dots, see the price exactly moved back from there, so this can help you in predicting target. Now coming to the support, because the noise was where will ITC stop, where will it take a halt, where will it take a pause, if not the stop in downward trend, at least where it will pause. If you see, I have just drawn a straight trend line from the higher lows. It took a breakout on 1st September 2022 from this level. I'm not considering this because that was a negative red candle, so better to ignore it. If you see, the breakout happened, the price took support after 1 month, 2 months here. Again, it went up and had a rise around 62%. But then, since it was facing resistance from the upper trend line, it bounced back. Now coming for the downward, so I just drew a straight line from here, and you can see it just took a pause candle. I mean, I will not call it as the end of the fall because that only God knows, no one can predict that. But I will definitely call it as a pause candle, and here we can do a bit of lump sum investment if we are already investment in ITC. As you can see in the daily charts of also, here it has formed a dozy kind of candle there also. And if I have drawn a downward trend line connecting the dots from the down support part, it also touches here. So we in technical analysis see the high probability part where the risk is very low and the reward is max whenever we take an entry. Can go wrong, can go right. It is totally on the probability based, but on the based of teachings we trigger our entry or exit seeing various parameters. I hope this would have helped you. Thank you.